Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and in today's video I want to talk with you about the next Doge of this bull run, which is Floki, guys. So we will talk about Floki, which in my opinion is for real the next Doge of this bull run. We will get into the ecosystem, into all of the good stuff. I will give you a brief explanation first of all, and then we will dive into the whole ecosystem and things that Floki is doing in order to be the next freaking meme token to take over here, guys. Okay, so before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump right into it, fellas. So let's go to their website and let me give you an explanation. So Floki, guys, is much more than a digital currency. It's a whole movement, okay? It is born in the meme space. Floki has demonstrated what is possible when visionary leadership, enhanced utility, and an engaged community are combined with the ethos and power of meme culture. And as you can see, they call themselves the people's cryptocurrency, and I absolutely sign under that. You will see why in this video. So Floki, guys, was not the first meme coin that introduced to the blockchain space, and certainly won't be the last, okay? So in the cryptosphere there are obviously many meme projects, yet one is set to dominate in presence, utility, and influence, guys. This upcoming bull run will provide the conditions for Floki to take its rightful place as the main and top meme coin. Floki is for real the next Doge. Floki is the next SHIB, guys, okay? There are plenty of compelling justifications on why Floki will surpass all other meme coins such as Pepe, Bong, Doge WIF hat, which also made a name for itself in last few months, I would say, Doge and SHIB as well, okay? And it is not a matter of it, okay? It is a matter of when, guys. So this review, basically, I will highlight the rationale and basis of the undeniable and unstoppable takeover of this token, guys. So while other meme projects offer the momentum of strong community, Floki actually delivers on that front as well, as by exhibiting the highest sense of utility and innovative products, as evidenced by their expanding ecosystem. And this diversified approach is best illustrated by the success of their, first of all, Flokify locker. Flokify basically stands for Floki Finance, so we'll get into it as well, guys. Don't you worry, we'll cover all of that. So this video will be a little bit long, but watch it till the end, okay? So you get the best information out of it. Then they have comprehensive staking programs, strong partnerships and collaborations. They also have Valhalla, guys, which is a play-to-earn metaverse and blockchain game that blends innovative play-to-earn mechanics, fun gameplay, and vast metaverse created to be fully immersed. Then they also have DAO governance and launch of their sister reward token called TokenFi, which we'll also touch on in this video. So there is still plenty more to come, guys. Moreover, Floki's strategic global marketing initiatives have not followed trends, but they have created them, okay? Leading to a successful elevation of the brand's visibility to billions around the world. And this evolution of Floki narrates a transition from its original name, meme coin identity, highlighting its multifaceted utility and innovation. And nonetheless, guys, at its core, Floki remains a meme coin in essence and spirit, yet where other projects end within the moniker of a meme, for them it is a starting point as they advanced within the annals of the blockchain history, guys. So it's not just a meme in this case, okay? Such developments position Floki uniquely in the cryptocurrency landscape, signifying its assured nature to surpass all other meme coins. Floki's blend of meme culture, community engagement, unrivaled utility, strong leadership, vision, and execution of the highest quality sets the standard and ushers in a new paradigm and demonstrates what a meme coin can really accomplish, guys. So first of all, let's have a little look at their website. They have all the stuff that you want to know about here. You have all the information regarding the products, regarding TokenFi as well, and all of that. Then they have those news, which we'll also cover. We'll definitely cover this one. Floki takes over the heart of New York City, so we'll get into that as well. But I have a lot of news prepared for you today regarding Floki, guys, so stay till the end. They have their pillars, core values, community, which is huge, absolutely huge. So I, as always, recommend you to join the community in order to be updated with all new things regarding Floki. Then they have exchanges, swap, dApps, staking, which is also crazy, we'll talk about it. Then it is on Ethereum and BSC. You can check out both contracts here. You have full tokenomics, as you can see, 0.3% buy sell tax, so that's very, very nice. 25% of Flokify locker fees banned, 1% of Floki prepaid card fees are also banned, so this is great because it essentially decreases the supply and the demand increases, so that's why the price can go crazy. Obviously they are audited, as you can see, Certic, best auditing company in the game, no cap guys. I'm not sponsored by Certic, just my honest opinion. You guys know that I always props Certic if you watch me. Timeline, as you can see, you can view the history of Floki. Then you also have the core team and the guy Saber, who is essentially in charge of marketing. We'll talk about one tweet pushed by him as well, which I kinda like. They have a bunch of other things, really nice and detailed website guys, and so is also detailed their whole white paper, which is available on Gitbook. So you know that I always like Gitbook white papers because they are easy to navigate through and easy to read. You have information about technology, how to buy, tokenomics, exchanges, legal stuff, and all of that, okay? So that's basically that. I also wanted to quickly show you Flokify guys. So this is a massive DeFi protocol under the Floki ecosystem. And as I said at the beginning of the video, Flokify essentially stands for Floki Finance. And as you can see, they have 150 million almost in TVL, almost 2,000 total locks, 15 supported blockchains, 73 NFTs locked guys. So this is really a powerhouse as well, to be totally honest with you. Let's also talk a little bit about the TokenFi. So this is their sister token, okay? And TokenFi is right here. The standard tokenization process can be painfully slow and extremely expensive for the average user, and that's where they give all the users all they need to create a token to revolutionize, to tokenize real-world assets in a simple all-in-one platform without writing a line of code. So TokenFi, also really cool project with utility. Maybe we will make a video on it a little bit later on, so I could also give you more of an overview of TokenFi itself, because I don't want to, you know, I want to focus purely on Floki during this video and like squeeze few other topics in it, but basically to cover this I would need a whole another video. So if you guys want, you can let me know in the comments and maybe I could work it out. Same with the white paper when it comes to TokenFi, also on Gitbook, very nice white paper as well. You have all the information, as you can see, also audited by Certic. Huge partnerships guys in this, so that's really amazing when it comes to that. But yeah, that's basically that when it comes to TokenFi. Now I want to sort of talk about Floki's chart, okay? Because what I also wanted to mention is the fact that they have, as you can see, easily passed Bonk, Doge with Hat and bunch of other meme coins, and they are bound to take over Pepe as well as SHIB. And as I said at the beginning of the video, and I still think it, they are the next Doge of this bull run, guys, okay? So really that's what I think. Let's go to the chart, let's talk about the chart, guys, okay? First of all, I wanted to highlight that they have made it over 60th rank. So as you can see, they are currently ranked 54th, which is very nice. Damn, this is just rising so high, by the way. Just as we speak, this is up 80% in the last 24 hours, okay? And what is definitely worth mentioning, guys, is the fact that Floki's market cap is surpassing $2.4 billion market cap, okay? And look at the freaking trading volume, guys, which grew 500% in the last 24 hours, okay? 2.5 billion, guys, this is billions, okay? This is not millions, this is billions. 2.5 billion in 24-hour trading volume, guys. So this is really crazy, okay? And in relation to the market cap, guys, 2.3 trillion Floki tokens are currently staked, okay? And this constitutes over 20% of the total Floki supply, or over 20% of the circulating supply, locked up for as long as 4 years. So this is effectively removing them from circulation, guys. And this also significantly strengthens Floki's fundamentals compared to other meme coins such as Doge, SHIB, Bonk, and Pepe, okay? And all of this is viewable on the staking. You can see how much is staked, and it's absolutely mind-blowing, okay? 2.3 trillion, as you can see, guys. So that's crazy. And it's still I mean, it still has a lot of room to grow comparing this to other market caps, okay? Just have a look at this. This is 2.4 billion, okay? Pepe is at 4, then you have Shiba at 21, Doge at almost 24, so really a lot of room to grow, okay? And I mean it, okay? A lot, guys, a lot. Let's talk about TokenFi briefly as well. They have a nice little volume here of 50 million. I mean, it's not by any means little, but yeah, that's a big volume. And market cap has also increased 20% in last day, guys. And as you can see, TokenFi is also rising 70% in 7 days. Where else can you see that gains, guys? Okay, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So TokenFi also really cool to look out for. And if you guys want, then again, smash the like button, show some support in the comments. Let's run the video for TokenFi as well. Okay, let's do it, guys. What I also wanted to talk is the Valhalla Bonfire event. Okay, so Floki will have a major token burn on March 9th at 1 p.m. UTC, guys. So there will be a celebration and they will be burning 190.9 billion Floki tokens. They are valued at approximately $44 million, guys. Incredible. So the hype is definitely there, fully justified, and I mean, I will definitely be looking forward to that. So yeah, that's basically that when it comes to the Valhalla. And as I said, guys, they have easily surpassed Doge with Hat, Bonk, and other meme tokens just yesterday, actually, as I'm making this video. So craziness, guys, craziness. I don't know how to explain this, okay? Craziness at its finest, okay? As I said in the video, we will talk about this Floki takes over the heart of New York. So they are back, guys, as you can see. Here is the tweet, and every single day, guys, Times Square, because the billboard is on Times Square in NYC, so well, every single day it welcomes 330,000 visitors. So this is powerful marketing here, okay? Powerful marketing and powerful location, and 50 million people pass through Times Square annually. So this is the busiest attraction in the United States, and it is a really great advertisement for Floki, guys. It is a really great advertisement for Floki. They also have a whole article about this, as you can see. So if you want to read it out, then I will plug all the links down below in the description, guys. So now let's talk about Saber. So he has pushed this tweet, as you can see, and he is their marketing director and core contributor, so big shout out to Saber. And well, I thought we warned you, Floki is coming, stand by. Really powerful tweet, and you know, he has sort of shown Pepe where Pepe belongs, okay? So Floki is coming for them, really cool, nice to see, I love it, okay? It's a powerful marketing nonetheless, guys. And also Floki has demonstrated its capacity to build strong partnerships and strategic alliances. So that's another example that I have for you guys. DWF Labs to purchase $10 million worth in TokenFi tokens, okay? Here is the whole tweet, and they also have a dedicated article regarding that and a whole announcement, as you can see. So this is great to see as well. Now let's talk about the ecosystem once again, guys. So Floki continues to exhibit all the signs of a major and powerhouse project. This notion is further exhibited by the recent news showing Floki crossing a record $658 million TVL, okay? This is another all-time high, guys. So this is absolutely incredible. You have the photos here. I mean, I can just go to staking and show you that, so it's better for you, but this is really something to appreciate and to look out for. And that's why I also want you to follow them on Twitter. I obviously do follow them, because you can see a lot of information that they are pushing here, which, you know, just like this, okay, they are very powerful and very great informations nonetheless. So that's basically what I wanted to say about staking, guys. And if you don't know about Flokify itself, you can go to their website for more information, obviously, but it is sort of easy to understand, okay? Flokify Locker, guys, is the industry's most innovative protocol for securing digital assets. It is the only mainstream crypto locker protocol to implement the ERC 1155 standard, guys, with support for 15 blockchains, as I said. in the earlier part of the video, and there is more to be added soon as well. Okay, so it supports more blockchains than any other major locker protocol in the space, guys. And another great news for Floki. By the way, TokenFi also, TokenFi is available. As you can see, they also have the staking. Total staked is also very impressive, 407 million tokens here. Look at the APYs, by the way, they have a really good APYs as well. So potential for big gains in those, okay guys, but obviously do your own research, as I always say. Another major news is that Floki has just got listed on CoinMina, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges for retail and institutional clients in the Middle East. So it is very cool because now for example, people from UAE, from Bahrain, from Oman, they can purchase Floki as well using those currencies, which you have dirhams, for example, Bahrain dollars, or dinars, and yeah, many other currencies from Middle East. It is, as you can see, fully licensed and regulated by the Central Bank of Bahrain, as well as Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority in Dubai. So it's always great to see that. Another powerful news, guys, that Floki is trending on StockTwits, the world's top investor social network, as the most popular asset in the world. Can you imagine that? That's crazy, guys. Okay, absolutely incredible. So yeah, that's what I also wanted to show you in this video. So you should definitely check it out, guys. This is for real the next big project in this bull run. Okay, Floki, guys, is the main meme coin of this cycle due to its strong fundamentals, including strong utility like its Valhalla blockchain metaverse, which is the most popular crypto metaverse according to CoinMarketCap. Flokify Locker, then you also have Flokify Locker, guys. Flokify Locker DeFi protocol with $100 million plus in TVL, combined TVL of over 400 million across the ecosystem, guys. Absolutely crazy. Okay, strong staking program that has locked up 25% of supply for 3 months, 4 years, significantly reducing sell pressure, guys. Then they also have the aggressive marketing that has introduced it to over 3 billion people in the mainstream, making it one of the most recognized mainstream cryptocurrency. So it is truly the people's cryptocurrency. And as you can see, we are ending this video where we began with it, okay, at the main page of Floki, with this nice little sentence that we have here, guys. So let me know in the comments what you think about Floki, whether you will be going in or whether you already invested into Floki or TokenFi, or you are staking maybe currently. Let me know, guys. I want to hear your opinions. I want to read your comments. I will be responding to them, so do it, guys. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really happy that I could bring this to you. And if you want to see more videos about this whole ecosystem, if you want to see a video about TokenFi, let me know. Okay, I will work it out for you guys. Thank you so much again. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.